Hey guys, my name is Mousree and today we will learn how to make school with a video sensei and I make this school. We can play the drum, the sprite drum by using our own hand or this drum. Okay, so let's try what happens. Let's see. So let's make this. First is drum and second is cymbal. Let's go to make another one. So guys, this is too much easy to make. Let's make this. Let's play this. So let's make this. So only 3. You can make this only 3 and just for it to go to random position, not mouse pointer. Yeah. So it's really very easy, guys. So guys, first of all, what need to do that we have to even add more thing, like I'm just doing some more thing like score. Okay, the spelling is not good. So first of all, set when flag click set score. I'm going to make something else, like I'm just showing you. First of all, set score to 0. So when flag click, so slow. So actually guys, I add some more, like I add the pop-up, I add score. You can see that the scoring increasing here. Let's see the code and the time because I add some. Look. Okay. So like this. Change the one and then click this. So this is the now. The code is for 7 digits. 6 digits. So let's go to our another game. So this is my another game.